Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Take-Two Interactive, a leading developer and publisher in the interactive entertainment industry. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Take-Two's performance, especially with their recent fiscal Q2 2026 earnings report just released.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Take-Two Interactive reported net bookings of $1.96 billion for the fiscal second quarter, which is a significant increase from last year. However, they also reported a GAAP net loss of $133.9 million. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Absolutely. The net bookings grew by 33% year over year, reaching $1.96 billion, driven by strong performances from titles like NBA 2K26 and Grand Theft Auto Online. Despite this growth, the company reported a GAAP net loss of $133.9 million, or 73 cents per share, which is an improvement from the $365.5 million loss in the same quarter last year. This indicates that while revenue is growing, profitability is still a challenge due to high operating expenses and costs associated with game development and marketing.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 47 based on a survey of 7 analysts. However, the actual GAAP EPS came in at 73 cents. What does this discrepancy tell us about Take-Two's financial health?
This discrepancy highlights the challenges Take-Two faces in managing its costs and achieving profitability. While the revenue side is strong, the costs associated with their ambitious game development pipeline and marketing efforts are weighing heavily on their bottom line. The market may have underestimated these expenses, leading to a forecast that was more optimistic than the reality.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Take-Two has raised its fiscal year 2026 outlook, with net bookings expected to range from 6.4 to 6.5 billion. Additionally, they announced the launch of Grand Theft Auto 6 in November 2026. How do these developments shape the company's future?
The raised outlook is a positive sign, reflecting confidence in their upcoming releases and ongoing consumer engagement. The announcement of Grand Theft Auto 6 launch is particularly significant, as it's expected to be a major revenue driver. CEO Strauss Zelnick mentioned that they anticipate record levels of net bookings in fiscal 2027, which suggests a strong pipeline and strategic focus on high-quality, blockbuster titles.
Key takeaways. In summary, Take-Two Interactive has shown impressive growth in net bookings, with a promising outlook for the future, especially with the anticipated launch of Grand Theft Auto 6. However, the company still faces challenges in achieving profitability. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Take-Two's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Take-Two's financials and future prospects.